Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to receive Bitcoin on blockchain app. So all you need to do is go to your blockchain, logging in with your wallet ID. To log into your wallet, you need your wallet ID, your password, and any two-factor authentication that you have enabled. Then, check your balance. You will always be able to see your balances at the top of your wallet and on your dashboard. To send funds from your wallet, you need the recipient receive address or QR code. To request, you can share your address or QR code with the sender. Using your transaction feed, your home screen will display your most recent transactions, and you can find your full transaction feed by clicking on the corresponding asset in your wallet's menu. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.